these are our original pads that we had on the vehicle, and I'll show you guys the part number for the new ones. This one is from Lexus, and this is the part number. And right here we also have brake pads for Toyota RAV4, and this is the part number for these guys. Now we will take both of them out and we will compare them to the original brake pads. So as you can see, guys, the Lexus and the Toyota RAV4 pads actually look exactly the same, even though the part numbers are different. Also, in our opinion, the friction material looks the same as well. Take a look at it. Same composition, same structure, and we believe that they are completely interchangeable. So right here the only difference is you will see that the number is B19, and on the Lexus it's B24. And again, this is how both of them look like. Lexus brake pads on the left and Toyota RAV4 brake pads on the right. And this is how the friction material looks like again. Right here we have our current pads on the Lexus and the new ones for the Lexus UX. The only difference that we could find, guys, is the original pads had these two openings, one on top and one on the bottom. These are for the springs which pull the pads away from the rotor. We did not have them in this vehicle, even though we had the holes. And on the new pad, current from 2025, you won't see this hole anymore. So I guess they changed the design slightly, but as I have mentioned, even this vehicle did not have these springs. The vehicle from 2020.